My description of myself. Hello, I am Samara Bermudez. I was born on November 4, 1995. I am 22 years old. I am from the city San Jose del Guaviare. I live with my mother and stepfather. I also have a pet. It's a dog called Lulu. It's very beautiful. Currently, I do not have a job, so I only dedicated myself completely to the university to which I belong, to the SAICAP San Jose del Guaviare. It's unique center and it pays as much attention as possible to study. Physical, I am with the skin. My hair is long and black. I about 65 meters tall. My hobbies are watch movies on Netflix. I like to fish and play volleyball. I also like to go to eat with my friends or play Xbox in my home. Thank you. Bye.